Hey, it's Gina from WTI. I am always on the lookout for easy, quick, and healthy meal options. These smoky barbecue pinto beans from BeanVIVO have been so convenient when I need something quick. We eat a lot of beans in our house. That's why I love how easy it is just to open the pouch. I can stick it in the microwave, and just in a few short minutes, I have a whole meal ready to go. I love that these are organic and have a really low sugar content. We added bacon to them, put them over rice, and just your classic beans and franks. And I thought the flavor combination on all three of those was really good. I love that the pouch is easily stackable in my cupboard, either upright or laying flat. And we have a small area that we work with as far as our pantry goes, so I love the option of being able to wedge these in wherever I have room. The beans are well cooked, but not so soft that they're just mushy. And the flavor is not too spicy. It's a little tangy, but definitely on the mild side. If you're looking for a quick and healthy meal idea, I recommend checking out BeanVIVO, and that's my point of view.